Well, wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're fitting well. Nick here from the trading room, and enter the binary here. This is on a demo, but we'll be changing over to a live real account very soon. So it's dollar CAD, dollar Canadian, and it's about 10:30 in the morning New York time, Eastern Standard Time. 3 positions on, went in with like 4 positions on, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see them here. In fact, I've got 5 on, have I? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Can't count the lines here, they're a bit close together. So they're staggered and they're all in profit. They, in a short time ago, around here. And these are actually 10-second candles, which you can see from down here. So we're certainly looking at the detail. If you want it on a minute basis, it would be like this. Okay, so it's all looking rather good, and as long as the price is below, I think 132.647 is the worst entry. If it's below 132.647 in 6.5 hours time from now, they'll all be profitable trades. So that's something we will be looking at. Now, I'm certainly not going to watch this for 6.5 hours. I will walk away from the trade and just where I am currently. It's night time. I'll wake up in the morning to see what the result of the trade is. But I have to say that on a minute by minute basis, it's looking good. If you want to see it on the 1 hour, you can see that we went up to resistance of one of my classic positions, classic moves, is shorting positions at resistance, selling into rallies. And during the last couple of hours here, you can see that there has certainly been a rally. So we're looking for a small correction. And the only profit target we have is that the, I think it was this one, it was 132.67. Sorry, 132.64.7. So we, as the platform is showing us, these are all in profit at the moment, and it's looking rather good. If you want to look at this on the, we can take this into bigger charts. That's the 5 minute. The white line here is where we were in at. 15 minutes like this. Let's go up to the 1 hour. Nice spike on the hour. You see it's been a pullback. And based off of this kind of resistance here, move up to the 4 hour. And you can see there's some serious resistance over here during the last few days. So I have no idea there's nothing particularly on the news about why this has happened. I think we're looking at a bit of dollar strength across the board during this session, US dollar strength that is, and we're trading on the pullback here. On the daily, it looks like that. So this resistance level, in actual fact, goes back months. So that's why it's a very high probability trade. And you need to learn to look for those levels. And the farther it goes back, the better. So this goes back all the way to about the end of June over here. You can see June-ish. These are daily candles, and it hasn't been through this level since the end of June. And if we go on the weekly, in fact, it hasn't. There we go, end of June, and then it had a messy time. So the risk, the danger on this is that it could go up to, say, 37.70, which is like 500 pips away, which I doubt it. I doubt. Nothing's ever for sure. But certainly you can see that on the daily, it hasn't been above this level for months. There's also a bit of divergence down here, which I don't have time to explain because I think I'm running out of time here. Oops, yes, I certainly am. Okay, so I've got to run over 5 minutes. This might not load up to YouTube. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you are being good to each other and that this helps. Goodbye and take care.